So our training philosophy at camp is like we mostly play on attacking formation, like 3-5-2, and also at the same time we also look into the defense also into that philosophy, like more players, not fixed to one player positions. We try to make the players to play in multiple positions. That is what we are looking for. Even in the from the B division to super division, we are just trying to make that philosophy is like two players have to play in all the positions. Like you have to they have to be comfortable in all the positions. How do we implement is like we don't actually only train the kids only for the tournament. Okay, after the tournament also we try to keep still asking them to come for practice, where in that training session we will not keep them in the same positions. We'll try to give them some new positions for the next like small tournaments. If you go for a 7-a-side or if you go for a 5-a-side, we used to like bring the striker to make them to play number 3 and see how they can how they can accept that and how they are able to finish that in the role. That's how we are like in the training time, during the training time, that's how we are going to implement that one. First of all, actually I love football. Okay, in that like I remember when I start my early coaching, I started with the school girls to coach, and I actually was wondering like to see my footballers, like women's footballers, playing so enthusiastic and so much dedicated to the game. From now till that, I can also like assure that than boys, girls have more interest and more ability and more focused on the games, and it's really superb. That's why I enjoy, and that's what I enjoy in the women's football training. Definitely, football is going to be a challenge for everybody, especially in the women's football. If you see, basically women's like matured women's are there. So we have to understand that when they are able to play, when they want to train, when they have to take break, that one. And also like if you see the school girls, like if you see the very mature girls, like they are like into the studies more, and we have to see their academy and also football. It is very challenging. Yes, it's very hard for a coach to still handle all this, and also to be the to conduct or to run the show of all the matches. But still, yes, to overcome this, we are like planned our sessions, we have planned our trainings, we are keep having a conversation with the players to understand whether they are able to play, and we also motivate them in such a way, even it is like if they are not ready also, at least their mind, at least they are ready, prepared with their mind, so that if they miss the training session also, they are ready to play the games like that. The main goal is for me is not to become the champion. Yes, of course we will try to become the champions, but at the same time I want my B division players and the A division players to understand the our philosophy and try to play in that philosophy, where because they need to grow and they have to play the super division, IWL and like I League and all. So in that case I more mainly focus on their the way of game, and I really train them in such a way where they will grow to that level, and they definitely going to be doing superb in this A division and B division.